excitement knows that beneath the glitz of 60-odd cultural events every day at the expo, the race of attention, business, investment, and trade will be intense over the next 6 months. There are 192 participating countries and 200 entities that have put up pavilions. United Arab Emirates Pavilion Expo 2020. The United Arab Emirates National Pavilion for Expo 2020 in Dubai symbolizes the country's history of falconry and its bold and daring spirits, which have transformed a collection of small desert communities into a global hub for commerce and tourism. Russia Pavilion Expo 2020. Russia's pavilion is one of the largest. The theme of Russia's participation in Expo 2020 is Creative Mind Driving the Future. The Industry and Trade Ministry has said Russia's best creative projects will be on display for 6 months. The exhibitions provided by Russian regions will take turns. Indonesia Pavilion Expo 2020. The Indonesian pavilion at the 2020 Dubai Expo is themed Creating the Future from the Indonesia to the World, with the concept of connecting yesterday, today, and tomorrow, which describes Indonesia's past, present, and future readiness. India Pavilion Expo 2020. At Expo 2020 Dubai, the world's biggest trade and commerce bash, there is a huge buzz about India. To amplify the country to watch out for, perception at the expo that started on Thursday with a riot of colors and spectacle. India has deployed the largest number of participants and has a state-of-the-art 8,750 square meter pavilion. The message is loud and clear. India is out to grab the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to explore solutions to challenges that impede its growth. Egypt Pavilion Expo 2020. Egypt is blending its past, present, and future to attract thousands of visitors to its pavilion at Expo 2020 Dubai. The pavilion, featuring 3 original antique pharaoh statues, will also allow visitors to uncover the wonders of Egypt's past and present. France Pavilion Expo 2020. This iconic landmark was built as the entrance to the 1889 Paris World Expo, 21 meters tall. The France Pavilion stands at the 21 meters and will provide a panoramic view of the expo site. 2,500 meters square of the PV tiles, photovoltaic solar tiles, are installed on France Pavilion's facade and roof. Switzerland Pavilion Expo 2020. Titled Reflections. The Swiss Pavilion at the 2020 Dubai Expo showcases Switzerland's unique duality of scenic landscapes and technology as the part of the Opportunity District of the Expo. The interior of the pavilion is divided into 3 dramatic arts that allow visitors to walk through the country's unique features. Thailand Pavilion Expo 2020. The Thailand Pavilion will represent the country through its mobility for the future. Theme of showcase transportation, logistic, digital connectivity, and personal mobility. To help reduce the heat transmitting to the building, the pavilion will be draped in a curtain made from more than 500 artificial blossoms. Inspired by traditional floral garlands used to welcome guests, the design symbolizes hospitality, luck, and respect. Romania Pavilion Expo 2020. Reflecting the close relationship between Romanians and nature that promotes sustainable economic growth and scientific innovation. The theme will also explore the country's rich culture and history. Colombia Pavilion Expo 2020. The pavilion is full of light, with a transparent design that exposes the richness of Colombia. Enjoy a vibrant, creative, and innovative experience through the excitement of the country's diversity. A transparent and open construction lets you explore spaces from diverse angles and perspectives.